Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams. Remember to make subscribings. Now, as the Luke Coombs say, let's take a fast car and keep on drivings, motherfucker.
Generated, but they still had to use prefabs based on which country and location they were from. Sri Lanka has tropical stuff, Italy has those Italian-style houses, and so on. And that surely has to be decided by...
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Maybe an old person, drunk person, or woman's. Now stop being the noses and get back to Suffolk County official business. Now we play games. How many cones will he hit? Let me know in the comments below. You win nothings, but it helps my YouTube channel's algorithms. Many thanks. Whoa, whoa. Sign not to fall, so it not make countings. Well done if you guess correct. But, like the McDonald's Trumps in 2020 election, you win nothings. I don't have much luck with delivery, so these times I pay my friends to deliver my new flat pack furnishings from the IKEAs. I'm very excited for my baggable bookcase to arrive. Be very careful. We're in car of Gypsy, who makes talkings to her magical mechanical womans called Davids.
David said I was getting stuck in gas station lines last time. Would you like to reply?
I wonder if that is what this is. I also see electric trucks everywhere. They're working on the traffic lights.
Man in blue car panic and tries to get away from Gypsy.
I wonder if that is what this is. I also see electric trucks everywhere. They're working on the traffic lights. Send it? Done.
911, what is your emergency?
Hi.
Fucking hell. Oh. Scared the shit out of me.
In half a mile, turn right onto Haddon Avenue.
Now I'll show you what it's like when my wife. Here we see the Mandalorians rushing to get home to make sure that Baby Yoda's not make shits in kitchen. Silly Mandalorians.
Wow, lady, what was that?
Yes, very
Are you
silly.
fucking
She
kidding
should
me?
have put children out in front first to check that it's safe. Stupid woman. My friend, he go to the cinema and make me pirate's copy of new Fast and Furious movie film. Very good qualities. Now I not have to pay to see. Great success.
I'm off this dog, got me slow. I ain't playing limbo. Bitch, my eyes getting low. Getting tagged, pull me over, said it started with real slow. Hey, you got a whack jumper, all that pillow talking on the gram, and you ain't slapping nothing. You know my niggas in the building.
Thank you for watching my movie films. please make subscribings and hit likes so I afford tiny talking car womans to give me directions. Dziękuję.